आई क्विट नहीं, बस अब एक सवाल था। क्या लोग एक्सेप्ट करेंगे? क्या इस फेलियर को कोई नया ईमान मिलेगा? क्या इस कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी को एक दूसरा सेट मिलेगा? इतने सारे सवाल थे, बट टाइम बहुत कम। उसको पता था कि अगर अब कम बैक नहीं हुआ, he will lose himself. He cannot be himself again. Searching endlessly with a hill full of question marks. Questions कैसे, क्यों, क्या मैं वर्थ इट नहीं हूँ, क्या मेरे से कभी कुछ नहीं होगा, और क्या घर वाले मेरे को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. The only name he ever heard was of physics wala, a faculty, a coaching, or a house to him who literally gave him consolidation. He had friends, spent nights with them, had deep talks. Maybe he finally found a person who he had to speak about. But empty buses, those city lights, the dream that he ever chased, the dream of being free, the freedom he ever demanded, sitting next to a lake, listening to how silent animals show love. But he was silent at that point. He was silent from all those inner thoughts, those depressions, those anxieties, or sometimes those eager thoughts that killed him inside. But he wasn't ready to quit. He knew he wasn't born just to take life at this age to be something that ends him. Remembering his vlogs, studying, and I don't know what he did. Even he didn't know what he was doing. But all he ever had a vision of the dream started to chase me. He started to chase them and he prioritized his peace. They did not. Eagerly looking for some batches over online. The only faculty he could trust now was a physics wala. Re-logged in and saw hi Atrish. Got remembered of his past, where at a point he was so highly motivated, but now he's just trying. Trying because he knew he had those teachers, trying because he knew he had those best study materials. He knew that at a point if he'll regain it, he can do something. Proceed to buying new books, buying new motivation at this point. Those new books with same chapters, those new fragrances but with the old mindset, adding those highlighters which this time may not be an imagination, this time it might be something, it might add some colors to it. Saw a OMR sheet, got remembered of his past, but how courageously he went into an examination hall. But now all he have is a shivered mindset where he really looks up to the teachers now. The motivation of the teachers, the stories, and the personal experience that teachers gave him taught him something. They taught him that good things are coming. Good things always come, but they come at a cost. A cost of suffering, a cost of forgetting your past. The school life was he ever remembered. How fun it was, no stress, nothing. टिफिन में क्या लाना और कौन सी सीट पे बैठना was his much goal. But now it wasn't enough. Now he had to overcome his past. The past which trembles him, the past that makes him cry every night. Now no more 12th grader, a dropper he was. Again those 3 hours का timer. Maybe ये 3 घंटे कभी पीछा नहीं छोड़ा इन्होंने. 3 घंटे, वो 300 साल थे उस सीट पे. But the work he did, the hard work he ever accomplished, all those selfless time that he gave to himself, he accomplished something. Now, those random names gave him motivation, not anxiety. Those random names gave him hope कि कभी तो कुछ होगा. Deaths did not scare him anymore because he knew that he had to live for his parents. He had to live for his sister. He had to live for his brother. Every night, all he ever thought was how life changes. Like, क्यों हम इतनी जल्दी बड़े हो रहे हैं. एक पॉइंट में हमें बड़ा होना था, लेकिन इस लेवल पे होना था वी नेवर थॉट. हमें लगा था हम फ्री हो जाएंगे, हमें लगा था कि हम अपने मर्जी के मालिक होंगे. बट एक ही मालिक है, भगवान. मे बी he had planned something, I don't know. The days passed and now it's time to check the result. NTA login JEE score. Maybe third time in his life he's doing this. The website was frequently visited. Now at that point, he is just eagerly checking to check his score. Trembled in sweat, trying to remember all the hard work, he knew that it's his last chance. And look at the smile on his face. He knew he worked on it. He knew he did it. Maybe that's just a moment. वो एक साल की मेहनत just for एक मिनट की smile. Hi, he did not quit and he did it. I don't know how it was, you people will only tell me, but I was having a conversation with this team because students really lost their hope, and I was reading your comments and I read every single one of them, and I know how much surprised you people were with your feelings. And I talked to the faculty like I just want to do something. I just wanted to do something with you people because I have studied from them in Arjuna 10th. Sorry, 10th में मेरे पास उड़ान था, 10th 11th में मेरे पे अर्जुना था, 12th में लक्ष्य था, लेकिन लक्ष्य के बाद में मैंने प्रयास भी लिया था ताकि मेरे से दोनों चैप्टर 11th एंड 12th रिवाइज हो जाए. And they were down for it. And you people also have studied from physics wala, I am pretty sure. So the juniors who are upcoming, you can have blind trust on them. I had blind trust on them and I did it. So similar to you people, इनकी faculty बहुत अच्छी है. You get all the PYQ sessions, NCRT sessions, you get every single thing. तुम्हें मैराथन्स कराई जाएंगी, तुम्हें मॉक पेपर्स दिलाए जाएंगे, तुम्हें मॉड्यूल्स बहुत अच्छे होंगे. लाइक इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू बाय मॉड्यूल्स, तुम्हें ऑनलाइन मॉड्यूल्स भी प्रोवाइड होंगी. लेक्चर जब लगेगा तुम्हें उसका रिकॉर्डेड भी मिलेगा, तुम्हें हर एक चीज़ मिलेगी. क्योंकि आई डिड फ्रॉम देम एंड सी आई हैव नो स्क्रिप्ट. आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग ओवर हियर बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू फॉलो अ स्क्रिप्ट यू पीपल हैव सीन. Why? Because I am an alumni of Physics Wala and Allen, which I always have said you people. So yeah, thank you to them for sponsoring this video out and to providing education to thousands and millions of people for literally at a cost of a grain. That's what I'll say. बाकी डिस्क्रिप्शन में तुम्हें सारे लिंक्स मिलेंगे उनके बैचेस के. अगर कहीं भी तुम्हें थोड़ा सा भी डाउट हो, यू कैन कॉल देम, यू कैन आस्क देम, और यू कैन पुट योर थॉट्स डाउन इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. ये भी बता देना कि भाई तुम इसका पार्ट 2 कैसा लगा, बिकॉज आई एम लिटिल अनश्योर अबाउट इट. हाँ, बाकी यही है भाई. फिज़िक्स वाला को अ बिग हग, अ बिग थैंक यू टू देम बिकॉज they gave me a second hope and I hope they give them you a second hope. Salim sir की physics was one of my favorite. बाकी तुम अपना अपना देखो भाई, और मैं तो कहूँगा you people get the batch, you people start your preparation this early because life doesn't wait for anyone. And part 1 I said अगर टाइम चला गया तो वापस नहीं आएगा. So be little courageous. You people are my members, you people are my broskies, and I know you will be courageous about this because if I, your member, your head, or whatever you call me, if I am courageous, I want you people to be more courageous than me. So yeah, that's all. I love you people a lot. Yes, I'm tired a lot, like you can see my eyes and everything. I just need a sleep, but I was filming for you people and I just love you people. बता देना भाई अगला क्या चाहिए तुम्हें. बाकी श्योर मेक अ हिट अ सब्सक्राइब बटन इफ़ यू रियली लव्ड इट बिकॉज इट गिव्स मी द मोटिवेशन. एंड या एक बार फिजिक्स वाला का भाई लिंक चेक कर लेना क्योंकि मेरे को अच्छा लगा एंड आई होप तुम्हें भी अच्छा लगे. बाकी लव यू, गुड बाय, सी एवरीवन.